introduction and step one for singing in the rain. Now we're going to have umbrellas. This is my practice umbrella. So you can see we're going to have to use our imagination a little bit. We start out just scattered around the stage with our umbrellas open and over our right shoulder. And as the introduction music starts, we just kind of wander around and just kind of freestyle it around the stage, trying not to bump into each other, of course. And then once he starts singing, do 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 do, we move towards our places in line and close the umbrella, set it down on the floor so that the handle is down on the floor, and just sway to the music until the introduction finishes. And when he, let's see, there's a little sound where we just go like this with our umbrellas. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it's right when he finishes singing. And then we hold this pose until we hear a glissando in the harp. We'll hear, and that's when we know that we're about to start with step one. Okay, so step one is we're holding our umbrellas in front of us. The top is here, the bottom is here. We have 4 flat ball changes. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change. Then 2 double stomp time steps. Stomp, hop, flat, flat, step, stomp, hop, flat, flat, step. Then we go right back into the flaps again. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change. And again, the 2 double time steps. Stomp, hop, flat, flat, step, stomp, hop, flat, flat, step. All right, so from the back, it'll look like this. Once we're in place, our umbrella's down like this. Once we're in place and we're swaying, then we bring it up at the end of the introduction, wait to hear that harp glissando, and then go right into it. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change. Stomp, hop, flat, flat, step, stomp, hop, flat, flat, step. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change. Stomp, hop, flat, flat, step, stomp, hop, flat, flat. All right, so that's all there is to the first step. You may find at the end of the double time steps that you have to leave that last step off to get into the next iteration of the flat ball changes. It's just a tad awkward, but I think leaving out that last little step probably is all you need to do to kind of fix that.